Hey guys, Mr. Everything here, back with another Blu-ray unboxing video, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing Avengers Endgame. Alright, so got Avengers Endgame. I just want to start off by saying at the top of this video, I'm super sorry. I know I'm uploading this late. I did get this yesterday on the release date, August 13th, but I've just been so busy lately, and I actually mentioned this in my most recent video, and I'm just super sorry for the lack of uploads and the lack of Blu-ray unboxings, and this is actually my most recent Blu-ray unboxing. I think the last one I did was like 3 months ago, so I'm just super sorry for just all the lack of videos, but I did want to get this unboxing out for you guys, because obviously it is Avengers Endgame, and, just giving my thoughts on this movie. I pretty much agree with most people. Obviously, I really enjoyed this, saw it opening night, and what's really interesting about this film is at the end of it, specifically, the really sad ending, and, obviously the spoiler ban is already pretty much lifted. This is the highest grossing movie of all time. I'm assuming you guys have seen it, but, I'm not going to spoil the whole movie just in case, but still, obviously, you guys know the emotional deaths that we get in the film. At the end of it, it was weird. I was super sad, but I was also really satisfied. After watching this film, I was kind of like, hey, if this was the last Marvel movie ever, I would be fine. I will be satisfied because it was so satisfying yet super sad. And I really love this slipcover. Obviously, it's very similar to all of the new Marvel Studios Blu-rays with the multi-screen edition. Has a super glossy rainbow effect, and it matches perfectly with Infinity War. I have an unboxing for Infinity War if you guys want to check this out. I also have a bunch of other unboxings for a bunch of other Marvel movies, including the most recent ones like Black Panther, Thor Ragnarok, Ant-Man and the Wasp. So if you guys want to check these out, then obviously check out the unboxing of Infinity War, and it looks so good next to it. It's just like a perfect match, but it matches even perfectly with the first two Avengers movies. I got the whole Avengers collection. It looks so dope next to each other. I don't have unboxings for these because I didn't have my channel when these came out. But yeah, got all 4 Avengers movies and couldn't be more happier with the turnout of all of them. I really love all the Avengers movies. Age of Ultron is my least favorite, but even that's still good. And like I said, Avengers Endgame, super satisfying. Obviously, there's a few little continuity things, and all the stuff with time travel. Obviously, everything doesn't make sense. The movie isn't perfect, but overall, I really enjoyed it. So starting off with the unboxing. So at the top, we got the Blu-ray and digital code. Obviously, you got the multi-screen edition. Avengers Endgame, you got the cast there. You got Thanos, played by Josh Brolin, Robert Downey Jr., Iron Man, Chris Hemsworth, Thor, Mark Ruffalo, Scott Lang, War Machine, Hawkeye, Black Widow, Nebula, Captain America, Captain Marvel, and Okoye. And then you got the sticker there. Extra bonus disc includes Remembering Stan Lee, deleted scenes, gag reel, and more. And then Movies Anywhere. Redeem your digital code today. And then on the back, you got the digital code included, and then you got the bonus extras. So you got the Remembering Stan Lee. And I actually saw most of these because, as you guys know, the digital came out like 2 weeks ago. So most of the exclusives were released on YouTube and stuff like that. All right, so let me just focus. If this wants to focus. But yeah, hopefully you guys can see that. So yeah, Remembering Stan Lee. And then Setting the Tone, casting Robert Downey Jr., A Man Out of Time, creating Captain America, Black Widow, Whatever It Takes, deleted scenes, gag reel, the Russo brothers' journey to Endgame, and more. And then you got some more images of the cast, and then a once-in-a-lifetime cinematic event, and then you got the synopsis right there. I'm assuming you guys already know what the movie is about. All right, and then taking the slip off, it looks pretty much the same. So yeah, you guys comment down below, give me your thoughts on Endgame. I'm assuming you guys enjoyed it as well. And yeah, just a super satisfying movie. It was a great conclusion to this, 20 plus film journey. And just overall, I really enjoyed it. Had my issues with it, of course, but really good overall. I'm sorry, I will be using the digital code, you guys. Yeah, here's the digital code, and then this is what it looks like on the back. You got the ending scene there with Peggy and Captain America there, which is the digital exclusive, by the way. The Steve and Peggy One Last Dance. I believe you get that only digitally, so that's pretty cool. And then you got the little promotion of 4 movies for $1. And then the back there. And then you got your Blu-ray disc. And then you got your bonus disc with all the bonus features. So yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this Blu-ray unboxing. You guys comment down below. Give me your thoughts on Endgame. Let me know if you guys got your Blu-ray copy. As I said earlier, check out all of those other Blu-ray unboxings for all the other Marvel movies I did, like Avengers Infinity War, Ant-Man and the Wasp, Black Panther. And yeah, part of the journey is the end, guys. And as I said earlier, super sorry for the lack of uploads. I've just been so busy. And as far as Blu-ray unboxing, same thing as well. You know, I don't get a lot of Blu-rays anymore just because I buy a lot of movies on digital. But if it is a big release like this, obviously you guys can expect me to do a Blu-ray unboxing. So yeah, you guys comment down below. Give me your thoughts on this video. Be sure to like, subscribe if you guys are new. Check out my other Blu-ray unboxing videos, movie review videos, Avengers Endgame videos, and have a great rest of your day. All right, bye guys.